In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize a stunning portfolio on Wix by using the Wix Portfolio app. This tool is incredibly useful for showcasing your work in a clean and professional manner. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to start by adding the Wix Portfolio app to your website. Head over to the Wix App Market, where you can search for the Wix Portfolio app. Once you've found it, add it to your site. This will enable you to incorporate projects and collections directly from both the Wix editor and your site's dashboard. When you're in the editor, look to the left side of your screen and click on the Add Apps option. Use the search bar to locate the Wix Portfolio app, and then simply click on Add to Site. It's as easy as that. The app is now part of your Wix toolkit. Now that the app is installed, the next step is to create your projects. Projects are the cornerstone of your portfolio, allowing you to display individual pieces of work in detail. Begin by clicking on the Portfolio page element within your Wix editor. This gives you access to the Manage Projects section. Here you'll want to click on the plus Add Project button, located at the top right of your screen. Start by entering a title for your project in the title section and proceed by clicking Next. Follow this up by crafting a description, which should succinctly convey the essence of your project. Again, hit Next to move on. Now, you're in the Basic Info section, where you can specify the project type, its date and location. After entering these details, click Next. The final step in creating your project is adding media. This could be images, videos, or any other visual content that best represents your work. You can either upload these files directly from your computer or import them from the Media Manager. Once you're satisfied, click Done to finalize your project. If you wish to further refine your project details, you can revisit the Manage Projects section at any time. Finally, after setting up your projects, it's time to organize them using collections. Collections help group similar projects together, providing structure to your portfolio and making it easier for viewers to navigate. If your portfolio contains more than one collection, your main portfolio page will display these collections prominently. However, if you only have one visible collection, the main page will default to showing all your projects. This flexibility ensures that no matter how many collections you wish to feature, your work is easily accessible and well organized. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully created a professional and visually appealing portfolio on Wix, sure to impress potential clients or employers with your skills and creativity.